1.5 million pieces of cookware is because it works and you love it. I do have a little animation on the bakeware if you've got it ready, but what we do is we go ahead and we put the 5 layers of DuraPan on the interior. So we start with carbon steel. Why is that important? Because we want it to be strong. We don't want these to buckle or bend, and then we go ahead and we take that DuraPan technology that we've used on our cookware, we make it 8 times stronger than any other non-stick bakeware. 8 times stronger. It can go in the oven to 450 degrees. It is perfect to use in the air fryer. Everything slides off it. There's no cleanup, and the strength, you can literally hear it. You know, if I knock on these,
yeah.
You know, you hear that? It's like that beautiful quality. You know that nothing is going to stick.
And look at how they fit perfectly in your air fryer oven. We have all 3 in here baking different little tarts in there. You're going to be able to use these constantly, all 3 at a price of $19.95. Again, limited quantities for the day. This is the time when you get up early and you go, you know what? I'm going to love being able to air fry rotisserie. I'm going to love being able to dehydrate. You're going to be able to do everything, bake, toast. This one appliance does it all. The best price ever. We have never done it in the fun colors that you're seeing, the white, the red. We also have it in the black. Stainless steel is by far our best seller on the day. But see how the bakeware fits right in there? And don't forget the entire interior of the oven is coated with that DuraPan as well. So
the
quick
floor,
and easy to clean.
The walls and the ceiling and the back of the oven, all DuraPan. So it's all just wipeable.
As opposed to my microwave, which I exploded a lasagna in last night. You know what? I mean, you know, I just walked away from it. I'm like, I'm not cleaning it. This is practically self-cleaning. This is our #1 highest rated, highest customer rated line across all of our lines here at HSN. This is the gentleman who created something for us that is going to work so well, and especially when so many of us are stuck inside. I mean, and we are stuck inside. Can't even run out to restaurants anymore, then make the restaurant your kitchen, because you're going to be able to use all of the appliances that you're seeing. One appliance that does everything, including your rotisserie. Just do it at home. Instead, control your environment and control the way that you're gonna be able to eat healthier, you're gonna be able to cook faster, you're gonna be able to do all of those things. And the affordability today is awesome. And right here, you're seeing that DuraBake set of 3 MiniLoaf pans. This is what makes it so special. All the layers of your DuraBake. And don't forget, metal utensil safe.
Okay, so here we go, Alice. I'm just gonna start showing you what we can do in here, because yes, the DuraBake is oven resistant to 450 degrees. And by the way, that's exactly the temperature that you can turn this air fryer. So all of the bakeware that you're seeing go into this oven can go full power. We've only got a couple of minutes here, so let me show it to you. I've done these beautiful little financiers. Let me just show you how gorgeous they are.
A financier?
Well, you make it with almond flour, and they're, little financiers. Different, you know, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry. Let me show it to you though. Let me just go ahead. Look how nothing sticks. And look at the caramelization that you're gonna get on every single one of these. I'm just gonna turn them over, and I'm doing this at speed because I've got so much to show. And have a look how when I turn these back over.
And the even heating. Every single one of them cooked perfectly. Every single one of them cooked the exact same.
I'm just gonna slice it. If anybody in the crew wants to come and have a little taste, you are welcome. Because imagine being able to portion it perfectly like that. With the electric knife, you absolutely can.
And look at the consistency of that. Perfectly cooked. I'm telling you,
absolutely perfect.
Your oven would dry that out. Instead, you're getting the ability now to use the convection style.
Alice, what about frittatas? Look at this. I've done one with pepper, one with broccoli and zucchini, one with asparagus. You could do one with bacon. Again, watch. Onto a board, I'm just gonna lift these up. You know nothing is gonna stick because it is DuraBake, right? So these little loaf pans are just so incredibly useful. Turn them over, all right? We're gonna finish them with a little sour cream, just like that, and then a few little micro herbs, right, for my micro loaf pans. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad that whoever it was, I think her name was Sandra, who emailed us to talk about these and said, why don't you make minis? And I was like, brilliant idea.
It is.
We get the best ideas from our customers. There you go, you can see what's inside. You know, that one's got the beautiful tomatoes. This one, of course, has the gorgeous broccoli. And you know, you have really made my brand what it is today. You've told us what you want. We've tried to deliver it for you as best we possibly can. Look, we've done little Jell-O molds full of berries.
Wow.
Again, I'll cut through one just so you get to see it. And you can see inside, full of berries and full, that's actually a sweet wine that we made that with.
Gorgeous.
Right? So many different amazing options.
You're gonna have the best time with this. $19.95, 5 flex payments on this, $3.99 on your credit card. Get something that's gonna work for you, for your family. Well, we have this unique time in history, and a lot of us spending more time in our homes. Where are we spending our time? We're spending it in the kitchen, right?
We sure are.
And you know, it's kind of turned that negative into a positive because it's all about family,
macaroni and cheese.
Food.
I'm just showing you a little individual portion of macaroni and cheese. Look at how it just literally falls out because there's no cleanup, right? Now, I know we're running short on time, so I'll help it. You can see it started to caramelize.
I cannot believe that.
Look at the pan.
It's
the pan, you guys, you literally wipe out. You'll be doing pull-aparts, no problem whatsoever. Gorgeous caramelization, and have a look at that soft, fluffy, wonderful bread. Even for things that you're not cooking now. So look, I've done a mold here. I'm using it literally as a mold. We've done a flavored cream cheese, and have a look. I can just lift it up, and there you go. So you'll be serving that with your bagels.
Gorgeous.
You know, happy brunch. Some cucumbers and onion rings. And then down here we've done a variety of different lasagnas. And again, if you're an individual, right, who only cooks for one sometimes, and I know we all do that, I'll make a batch of lasagna, but I'll individually portion it and freeze it.
Oh, I love having my own.
Right, you're pulling it out of the freezer, and then it just comes out like this, right? So now, of course, it's not designed to turn out, but I'm just showing you this because I want you to see that the cleanup virtually doesn't exist, right? So as it comes out, watch what I can do. I can just take a cloth here, go ahead, and by the way, if you've got someone with dietary restrictions, maybe you've got a vegetarian in the house, you can do one vegetarian, one with meat.
You can do 3 different flavors.
Well, that's what we did here with the banana bread. 3 different types of banana bread. So again, look at that. Caramelization on the bottom, right? Beautiful, look. Oh my goodness.
And look at how moist.
Isn't that so incredible?
It is you are able to cook in these whatever you would like. You can be so creative. You'll have such fun with them. All 3 of these at $19.95.
So
we are very limited with our quantity. If you want these, I think we have a couple of thousand. Yeah, a couple of thousand. We have 1,700.
Wow. They'll be sold out this hour.
Right.
I'm just letting you know. This morning they'll be gone.
For the rest of the day. Do not forget also, if you want the set of 3 of your micro sheet pans, those incredibly limited. What's my update on that, Pat?
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm told those are going to